Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new Azimut 40 Verves. As you can see, this is a 40-foot triple engine outboard boat. One of the biggest benefits you get with the outboards, very low maintenance, very little draft, horsepower to weight ratio is awesome. Now these are the white Verados. This one also has joystick piloting where these engines can work with or against each other. Also incorporated that's going to be your autopilot and skyhook, which we'll get into in a little bit. So I just point out some of the features on the boat. This one has about a 9-foot canopy that comes out back here. Up on the arch here, we have our Marine radar, plus you get twin screen, GPS chart plotter, also VHF radio. So this particular boat is called Miami Silver, and we're going to get on the boat in just a second, but as you can see, it's the ultimate entertaining boat. Tremendous amount of seating up here, lots of room in the cockpit as well. One of the neat things about the Azimut, of course these are built in Italy, and they incorporate a lot of carbon fiber and vacuum bagging, so basically it gives you the most amount of strength with the least amount of weight, all performance oriented. So jump on board real quick, be careful of this. Now this is a cool feature too, depending on where you're going to be docking the boat. We can open up this right here, and actually goes all the way down into the water. So if you're doing some diving or just want to relax on the back of the boat, that works out great. Also has an additional ladder. This one has a teak soling all the way through the cockpit. This table is hydraulic, goes up and down. So also a filler cushion goes in there. The boat's also equipped, you get an ice maker on this side and you have a refrigerator on that side. And as we talked about for entertaining, this slides up here, makes into a nice little table here. And it's important to have your wine cooler right here. And underneath here, tremendous amount of storage. So let's walk around the boat real quick, and then we'll come back to the helm. What a lot of people like about this, very safe. This thing has beautiful stainless steel, very thick, heavy-duty cleats all the way around. At cruise, you're more than welcome to hang out up here, relax, enjoy the view and everything. The boat cruises very nicely in the neighborhood, around 30, 32 miles an hour, wide open throttles in the upper 40s. So pretty good performer for the size of boat this is. Now here at the helm, this one has the optional power seat. This goes up and also forward. She also incorporates a bow thruster along with your joystick docking here. And the coolest thing on the boat, Seakeeper. So it's got a stabilizer gyro, and the boat performs incredibly with that. When you're, basically just sitting still, the boat barely shakes. So that's a really nice feature right there. Also automatic trim tabs. So we come down here. They use a lot of nice light colors. So as you can see here to the side, this actually comes out right here and makes into an additional berth. And inside the head area here, plenty of room there. Of course, you've got hot and cold water, as well as generator, as well as air conditioner. So your main stateroom's forward, if you want to go take a look at that. Nice little island berth all the way around. Very, very nice fit and finish. As we come back here, we've got everything you need here in the galley. You've got your TV. This is our 120 and 12-volt systems right here. Great sound system. You get a Fusion inside here, separate Fusion for out there. So very unique boat. These are very limited production, and these have been very popular. There's not a lot of manufacturers that build a 40-foot performance-oriented boat with outboards. So anyways, to recap, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. We have the boat here in stock. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon.